Welcome to White Regis TV film review and preview. I'm Andrew Wright. This week, the horror sequel film The Nun 2 was released on home video. The film is a sequel to the 2018 film The Nun and is the 8th film in the Conjuring universe. The film stars Taissa Farmiga, Jonas Bloquet, Storm Reid, Anna Popplewell, and Bonnie Aarons. The film takes place 4 years after the events of the first film, so they're now in 1956, and revolves around Farmiga's sister Irene as she is tasked to investigate a series of deaths which suggest that the demon Valak has returned. Now, I'm a fan of the Conjuring universe, as it's my favourite horror franchise, and despite the fact the first film wasn't great, I was still looking forward to this film. Unfortunately, I was disappointed in the film. I did like the magazine stand gag that was shown prominently in the trailers, but the film just felt dull and slow. So by the time anything exciting happened in the third act, you're just zoned out. So I gave the film 1 star out of 5. This week, the new animated Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles film was released on home video. This new film, titled Mutant Mayhem, revolves around the Turtles going on the hunt for a mysterious crime syndicate, only to come up against an army of mutants. Now, I reviewed the film back in August when I saw it in the cinema, and I really enjoyed the film's animation and directing, as well as Jackie Chan's performance as Master Splinter, but I felt that the film relied too much on overly juvenile humour and references that a lot of people probably wouldn't understand, especially like the adults in the audience. I gave the film 3 stars out of 5. A sequel and a animated TV show are in development, so those will be coming at some point. This week, the new Ridley Scott film, historical drama and film Napoleon, is being released in cinemas. The film stars Joaquin Phoenix as Napoleon Bonaparte and Vanessa Kirby as his love interest, Josephine. The film depicts the true story of the French leader's rise to power, as well as his relationship with Empress Josephine. The film has received a mixed reception from critics, with the positive reviews hanging around in the low 60%, with there being praise for Phoenix and Kirby's performances, as well as the battle sequences in the film, but criticism for the film's 157-minute runtime, as well as Ridley Scott's direction. The audience reception is round about the same in the low 60s. The film is in cinemas this Thanksgiving weekend, so it came out on Wednesday, I believe, and the film is expected to stream on Apple TV Plus at a later date due to the film being an Apple Studios production, but no word on that, just like Killers of the Flower Moon. That's all I have for this week, but be sure to check back next week where I will review Oppenheimer, because I didn't have time to review it this week, but I'll have time to review it next week. So, now back to you in the studio.